What is known as the PPP loan program or the Paycheck Protection Program is what was initiated by Congress approximately about a year to a year and a half ago when the coronavirus really hit our economy, when courts and businesses were being shut down as a result to protect our country from the spreading coronavirus. And businesses were allowed to secure essentially forgivable loans through the federal government, the PPP loan process. As a result, many businesses, it was a lifeline for them and it kept them in business. But, and that's a big but, the US Attorney's Office and the FBI have they have been investigating business owners for PPP loan fraud. For example, some of the things they are looking at it, did the business owner create an LLC or an S Corp immediately upon seeing that there was PPP loan money available? And once they created this loan or they created this business, and when they submitted the application for the PPP loan, what did they do with the money if they secured money from the federal government? Did they actually use it for the designated expenses, business expenses that it was supposed to go to? So generally, PPP loan was supposed to go towards your office rent, paying your employees, ongoing business expenses, etc. What we have seen is that there have been individuals that have been charged and or federally indicted for creating businesses and then using that money for non-business purposes for personal reasons, and then they are charged. Or the second example is it is an existing business prior to COVID and prior to the initiation of the PPP loan process. And those businesses took the money and used it for personal reasons or just kept the money and never spent it on the employees, office rent, normal business expenses. Now, there is always going to be a gray area in these type of cases. What's considered a business expense? What's considered a personal expense? In the event you become what's called a subject or a target of a federal investigation with respect to the PPP loan process or where the funds went to, please give us a call. We are expert federal criminal attorneys, and we can potentially provide a legitimate legal explanation in concert with potentially working with a forensic accountant to review your business bank records, your profit and loss statements, to review your bank records and see if they've been reconciled correctly, to be able to show that the expenses or the money that you got as a result of the PPP loan process went towards the correctly designated areas. Or if it's a gray area, we can argue that you did not have an intent to commit PPP loan fraud. At Stechschulte Nell, we are experienced federal criminal defense attorneys. Have someone give us a call in the event that you are subject or a target of a PPP loan fraud investigation.